Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a budget plan with YNAB budget, full guide step by step clearly. Open the YNAB budget app or visit the website. Create an account if you do not have one. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to set up your first budget. Start by entering your monthly income. Include all sources of income, such as your salary, side hustles, and any passive income. Next, navigate to the expenses section. Identify your fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Add those fixed expenses to your budget. Then, list your variable expenses, including groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Estimate the amounts you typically spend in these categories. Now, review your financial goals. Consider adding savings as an expense category. This could include savings for emergencies, vacations, or retirement. Once all categories are filled, review the total income against total expenses. Make sure that your expenses do not exceed your income. If expenses do exceed income, adjust your budget by reducing variable expenses. After you have balanced your budget, allocate funds to each category. Remember that the zero-based budgeting method means every dollar has a job. Now, update your budget regularly to reflect changes in income or expenses. Check in weekly to track your spending against your budget. Adjust categories as necessary based on actual spending. Utilize the goals feature to help you stay on target for future expenses. Creating a budget with YNAB budget is an ongoing process. Stay flexible and make adjustments as your financial situation changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.